కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ యొక్క ఫార్ములాను డిరైవ్ చేద్దాము. ఇఫ్ ఏ బాడీ ఆఫ్ మాస్ m ఈజ్ మూవింగ్ విత్ ఏ వెలాసిటీ v, ఇట్స్ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ హాఫ్ mv స్క్వేర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫార్ములా. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫార్ములాను డిరైవ్ చేద్దాం. సపోజ్ ఏ బాడీ ఆఫ్ మాస్ m ఈజ్ మూవింగ్ విత్ ఏ వెలాసిటీ v. If we act some force in the opposite direction and stop the body in a distance s, then the work done to stop the body is equal to its kinetic energy. So suppose the body reaches here traveling a distance s and it is stopped, therefore its velocity becomes 0. Let the initial velocity be v and this velocity is v2, final velocity. By the time it stops, its velocity is 0. Because the body is stopped, its velocity is 0. Let it be v2. Now the work done by the force is acting on the body to stop the body through a distance s. By the time it travels a distance s, then work done by the force is equal to F into S. We know the formula for work, F into S. But from Newton's law, F is equal to ma. From Newton's laws of motion, F is equal to ma. So ma into S, because F is equal to ma. Again, from the laws of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is an equation from the laws of motion where v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration and s is the distance travelled by the time the velocity changes from u to v. Therefore, from this relation, 2as is equal to v square minus u square, or a is equal to v square minus u square by 2s. Here v square, that is final velocity, is 0 minus u square, that is the initial velocity, is v. So u square, so v square by 2s, or this is equal to minus v square by 2s. That is the acceleration. This acceleration has a negative sign because the velocity of the body is reducing. So it is moving with decreasing velocity. So the body has a deceleration, or acceleration is negative, because we are acting the force in the opposite direction and the velocity of the body is gradually decreasing and comes to rest after traveling a distance. Yes, for that we got negative side. Therefore, if we take in the same direction, it will be positive, that is a is equal to v square by 2s. Now substituting this value of a in this formula, we get work done in stopping the force is equal to m into a is equal to, from minus v square by 2s, we take it as v square by 2s into s. So s gets cancelled. That is the distance through which the body travels before it comes to a stop. So this is equal to, by 2, we will write it as half m v square. So m is the mass of the body, v is the velocity of the body. So work done to stop the body is equal to half mv square. This work done is equal to kinetic energy of the body. Therefore, kinetic energy of the body is equal to, kinetic energy of the body is equal to half mv square. So kinetic energy of a body is the energy due to the velocity. So if we act a force in the opposite direction and stop the body, the work done by us is equal to the kinetic energy. Therefore, kinetic energy of a body is equal to the work done to stop the body after traveling through a certain distance. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square.